If you're looking for a beachfront residence on Marco Island, I have the property for you, the Duchess 1003. This gorgeous residence features 1,664 square feet of air-conditioned living space, 2 large bedrooms, and 2.5 bathrooms. The spacious great room overlooks a wall of glass and the balcony with panoramic views of the Gulf. The kitchen has been updated with white cabinets, a laundry area, as well as a walk-in pantry. The resort-style amenities include a beachfront pool and spa, well-equipped fitness center, tennis and pickleball, club meeting rooms, billiards, ping pong, and a library lounge. There's also a guest suite available by reservation and covered parking with attentive on-site management. If Marco Island beachfront living is your thing, give me a call. Diane Mato, Premier Sotheby's International Realty.